welcome to the video. And today we are going to see how we can build a really nice looking UI app which requires really less code compared to building everything from scratch, especially when you're working with React and this libraries or frameworks, because where you have to work or code from very scratch, just like working with different protocols, just like WebRTC, using different functionalities and libraries to work on, and also you have to keep in mind the security of the end user. So not taking worry of that things, we have a platform just like Zegocloud. Zegocloud provides a UI kits that which is available here, which give the really nice looking app and every single possibility that you can think to build a video conference app. If you're able to see these mockups, so definitely you can think of it like the UI kits are built with a really nice idea to get the most of the interaction from your video call application. And there are only three types that you have to take, and we will build the application within 5 or 10 minutes. We don't require 30 minutes to do that because it's very straightforward with their documentation. You can check out their documentation from here as well. You can explore the SDK path, but the main motto of this video is to get a hands on UI kits and build something with that. So install UIKit, integrate with the app, and just build an experience. There are different features that provide and different platforms which are supported to Zegocloud, just like Android, iOS, React Native, just like every platform that able to build video call application, maybe a mobile web or everything. Also Electron as well, I think they provide. You can check the documentation, and this is something feature like dynamic layout, videos, room messages, face beautification, that stuff. It's also give the features just like one-to-one call, group call, video conferences, live streaming, and live audio room, app chat, and different features that you can explore with all the documentation stuff. But the first thing first, start with this platform. You need account for that, because once you create an account, you will get the project section and those stuff. So first thing first, you have to create an account, Ganesh, with information, first name, last name. I'm from India, so I will choose India. Choose your country where you are coming from. Where is okay? Yeah. So here is my email. Get the verification code. You have to go with this puzzle or something. Click on the okay. In this. Now I get the code on my email, and I will put the code here, which is definitely secret. I'm not going to show you, and accept, and you can start your free trial. So that's something that you have to do to create an account. Fill this email ID and this verification code properly, because you will get the verify 6-digit code on your email. So it's required to fill that. So that's stuff that you have to do, and that's it. Okay, that's it. Once you create an account, you will get the dashboard like this with all your project details. I already created a project like video tutorial, so we will create some new project here as well for you. Analytic dashboard. This is something that you will get 10,000 minutes free to work on your video call application, your balance, developer support, all the documentation, UI kits that we are going to see step by step. And we are using the boiler template which is provided by the Zego Cloud to build an application, and then we'll figure out what the boilerplate is and what are the different features, limitations that we can add. So first, click on this create your own project. So just explore different features, just like customize app, chat app. But we are choosing the we are selecting voice and video call app. We can also select the video conference app because they share the same functionalities. Just the limitation of the people who join, that's the different. But we are selecting voice and video call because we are building a video call app. I click on next button, give the name to your project. Just we will give something uh, YouTube, a YouTube app. What is the YouTube app? And then we have to select the UI kits, and you can also explore SDK, but we are working with UI kits. So after clicking on UI kits, it will take some time, and then it will create a project for us. Okay, that's creating a project. While creating a project, just go and create a React app. So here is a command that you have to run: npm create vitat latest. Name of your project. We will keep the name same as it is we created. This is not necessary. You have to, we can give it different name as well. You don't need to keep the name is same name. Uh, we will give some different name. Okay, YouTube tutor. So you can keep the different name as well. Then hyphen template. We need React template. So it will create a template. It will create a template for us fetching from React. So cd YouTube tutorial and AMI, install all the dependencies to it. And once it's installed dependencies, we will create into a VS Code. And after creating into VS Code, we will get that all the integration features to that app. So it will installing. Just get back to our app. Created a project for us. So choose web because we are building a web application. So once you click on web, it will give it will create a two option over here. If you're able to see the basic configuration, one to one group call, we can choose the one to one call or group call as well. You can choose the basic configuration from this one to one or group call, not much difference into both. And you can choose the layout from here as well, grid and that stuff. So we will choose the grid. And yeah, that's it. Like save and start integration. So it's initializing projects. So we are good to go. If you are if you go here project management, you will get some app ID secret which you have to keep private. I'm also keeping this private. This is secret credential that everyone have to keep private. That's it. That's how created. Right now we just need just click on view guide. So we are using npm package manager. We have to install these dependencies, and yeah, here is a boilerplate that I'm talking about. Uh, so okay, so just check our React application. What is the current situation of that? It's installed, and right now go to VS Code. It's installed into a VS Code terminal. Zoom a little bit. Okay, it was starting a terminal for us. So we have to copy this boilerplate first. We will copy, and we have to start our development server. PM run dev browser and check localhost 5173. It started. So it started. So we are able to see our application sometime. So we are able to get our application. We don't need this boilerplate, default boilerplate. So I have to change some. You have to go to source folder. You have to change app.jsx. So first thing first, we will do. We will first install. We will first install the dependency PMI. So let's create another terminal as well. So if you're able to see, so just install the dependency that we copied from here. Just paste. It will install all the dependency, and then we will make some changes. So we install the dependency successfully. Just minimize this, and so we don't need some. We have to don't need that CSS. Have to close this, and after that go to app.jsx. Just delete everything and copy this boilerplate, which has three functions, which I will explore, which I will explain you one by one. What is that and what it is do. So okay, we configured that, and right now we have to pass some credentials. It's showing some errors over here. Don't worry because we don't pass the app ID and the some these tokens we have to pass. So just go to here. Just here is the app ID which you have to copy. Go and paste the app ID, and then here is the secret server we have to keep this private, keep it private. Don't do that. So we pasted, and right now we have to check our application how it looks like. So let's go, and it's showing the successfully. We are able to get our application output. We are able to see we copied the boilerplate. We install the dependencies from Zegocloud, Zego UI Kit pre-built, which is UIKit, and yeah, that's it. Like just copy this link. You can join the room and go here to another tab, open a application, and give some name, and just so yeah. If you're able to see, we are connected with the two people. Uh, and yeah, that's it. That's stuff that we want. I'm not able to turn on my camera due to the OBS recording, but we will get that point. We will figure out. So this is the default border that we are getting. We don't want that default border, so we'll go to CSS index.css, say everything 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. See, right now if you are able to see this border. Yeah, we are added CSS. So this border right now it's not coming. So it's a nice looking UI. So I will turn my camera. I will do some settings. Get back to you. So I did some settings and I turn on my camera. So if you're able to see, this is I am. So you can do your name, Ganesh. Keep your mic mute because I'm using this mic. So it will create a double sound. So get that link. Just join. So go to this thing and just see we both people are able to get, just change the layout to the grid. Yeah, everyone. So yeah, like this is a simple stuff that you can create a video call app with Zegocloud. But there are different customizations that we can add to this application that we are going to see step by step. Finally, we started our video and we created the application. So so what are the limitations that we can add and what are the features that we can add that we are going to see. So this is a call invitation that we can customize ringtones, that stuff, uh, and we will use this pre-built features. So we are going to do that. So this is our app.jsx. So I will explain the code. The random ID function, just this is a random string which they take and they just creating a random ID of these 5 characters at the end. The random ID of 5 characters, just 1, 2, 3, 4. It's starting from 0 to length of this lane, which is 5, and it's creating a random 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters length thing. And this is the location object. If you're familiar in JavaScript, you can get the all the parameters of your URL through this location dot hostname, port number, protocols, and that stuff. So it's just getting the ID, getting all the contents after the question mark before after the joining. To get this string, they have created this function. Get that string, they created this function because every user should be on the uh, will connect on the shared link with that particular ID. That's so. This is the Zegocloud function, which is comes with its tokens and this IDs to just private to just connect with the connect with the created all the meeting and that stuff. So this is Zego UI pre-built kit tokens, and this is the join room function that they provided to create all that UI, nice looking buttons and that stuff, all the location that meeting. And at the end, we are rendering the all the containers referring to my meeting function and just style and height and width with that. So this is the big container. So that's the boilerplate. If you want to build, you can do that your own as well. or you can just simply create a button and one ID, one input field where some user will come and just give the 6, will create some ID and will get that. So this is the normal stuff. This is 2 or 3 functions that they have added into boilerplate. So first thing first that we are going to do is copy this link, join the meeting room, join on another side as well. Okay. So if you're able to see, we join with 2 people. These 2 people are joined to the meet. The first feature that we're going to add, implement an audio only session, which means we people are only able to speak something. They are not able to turn on their video camera because it's a audio meeting. So uh, it's make no sense in an audio meeting you're turning on your camera. So turn on camera when joining, it's false. So there are some values which to turn them into false because they default they are true. So we go to our application. So we are not able to get a video option turn on or off because this is a mic meeting. So when we join this meeting, we are only able to speak, not able to turn on video. So this is the features that they provided, and this is the 4 value of camera that we have to turn false with our code, and that's it. We are able to get that. We are just turning them to their default values, which is true feature that what the direct join session. So this feature is something that uh, we will implement, but we are not able to get the actual idea because this feature will not give the this preview section. This preview section, once you get once you save the button, it will automatically go to that random digit and it will automatically create a room for that and it will join. You are not able to get the okay. So we do that and just go to this. And right now, if you are able to see, we are not able to get a preview of joining. If I refresh, but still it will automatically joining. We are not getting a preview of that. So turn it's also to the default value because we want preview. Okay. So screen sharing is something which is really interesting. Default, if you see, uh, the screen sharing is on. So if I click on that screen sharing, I'm able to share the screen, all the windows and that stuff. But you can make that false if you don't have something don't want to share screen. You can go to and just you can make that false. If you say now, if you just go and join the meeting, so see, here is a no screen sharing button, and if you exit from it, will go to confirm and just return to home screen. That's simple stuff. So the other features that we can implement, some of the interesting features just like limiting the how many people you want in your meeting. So we are going to set something how many people we want in our meeting. So just I will put the numbers to 2 because we are not able to connect 100 people to check that limitation. So this is the first person. I will give it my name Ganesh. So join that. We'll paste that link here as well. Uh, okay, we have to copy the link again. Join. Paste the link. Join. Okay. Done, done. So right now 2 people already in the meeting. So we set the limitations of only 2 people. So if I try to join as a third person to our meeting, it should show us a error, which is if you're able to see, I will zoom a little bit to fail to join the room. Number of people in the room has already reached the maximum limit. So already 2 people in the room. So you are not able to join. So you can set the number of people you want to join to this room, like 50 people, something that invite via shared link, which is already turned on because we are able to get. Uh, okay, so we already getting option of shared link, so we don't need to do that. But turn off and turn right. You can create a avatar feature as well, but we need image with the right resolution. So you can explore this feature your own video resolution that we can set. So this is a function that we have to get. Like you are able to set a video resolution just like 50 people. Sorry, video resolution just like 360 pixels, 720. The quality of the video resolution that you want to set. So if you go to this, if you join the room and if you go to settings and you can check that. So you can check the different video resolution option that we are getting 420, 720, 480, 720. So these are this different resolutions that you can get. So these are this feature that you can implement as well. Uh, use the whiteboard is something interesting that I want to show with all people. So there are two different options to implement this whiteboard feature. First, we can directly copy this code to our index.html, but we are using React, so why not to use the full potential of npm. So first, install this dependency Zego Superboard Web, which is a whiteboard. Open a terminal. Just go to our first terminal, which is created. So okay, so it will installing the webboard. I already copied the install plugin, which is like we have to copy. So yeah, like we have to copy that particular npm package, and you have to go into a terminal and just copy paste and just like install the install that package. After installing that, we have to integrate, or you have to install, you have to import that here. So here is the import statement. We have to copy, we have to paste, and right now we need to use that. So to add this feature, we already created like Zego UI create variable object over here. So we have to just go and just do the stuff just like so. Finally, we added that plugin Zego Superboard Manager, and right now if we can join the meet, if you are able to see, here is a feature that we are getting. So this is the feature of the whiteboard. It's a nice looking. So add some color. Here is a text. How we can write a text. So world, and there are different shapes that we can copy. There are different colors that we can implement. Gold. We'll take hello world. This is something that we can copy. So yeah, like this is interesting stuff. Uh, these are some features that you can implement, and this is also for call invitation features that you can add. So yeah, like this is the stuff. This is a interesting Zego Cloud platform that I want to show that we explore today, and different features that we added. Number of people, invite to a scheduling which you already enable. Set use avatar. We need an image, so we can do that. Video resolution, whiteboard, screen sharing, direct join session, audio only session that we have implemented, and how we can put the mic and video turn off, that feature that we can already see into that function. So this is a interesting stuff, and this is how you can build, and this is a final application how it looks like. uh, you can turn on camera settings, you can choose the video quality, which quality you want to, okay with that, different features, whiteboard, uh, like and different layouts as well. If you go and change the layout, you want to change to grid, so it can grid as well. So just confirm and just return to home screen. So this is the stuff that I want to build. I want to explain to you how you can build that. You can use that template we already use, and you can just add those features one by one. What are the features that you want, and you can also make some changes to that. Just don't touch this function get URL parameter because this is the logic, and but you can make the changes to that other function, just like default app function. What are the customization that you can do? These are the some feature that you can explore your own. So that's the stuff. So just go and sign up on the Zegocloud platform. You will get 10,000 minutes for free to build that application. Build, explore, understand how it works, make your own changes, build your own application, add multiple configurations to that, and deploy on it. So that's stuff that I want to show. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.